Hello, in this video we are going to look at how you can register for a Zoom meeting and get the link in your email address. So after you receive the link to register, for example this one, it will lead you to a page where you put in your details and then you can receive the link in your email. So I'll put my first name as that. I will erase some of these details because these are default with the email that I register with. Then you put in your email address. Then you ensure that you confirm your email address in the next here. Then you click to register. And you will get a notice telling you that you have registered for this. So this is when you go to your email address to check for the link. So it comes within your email address, and this is the link that you shall use to join the meeting. For some people it will come in the primary part of the email, and other people it comes in the updates. But ensure that you check your email address after registering, and the date of that training, ensure that you go back to this email to pick the link so that you can be able to join the meeting. Thank you.